Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss about structure of Halley's acid. Among the halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, chlorine only form chlorous acid. Fluorine, bromine, iodine, they do not form Halley's acid. Only chlorine form chlorous acid with the molecular formula HClO2. So this video explains how to draw the Lewis structure of chlorous acid that we are going to discuss. Structure of Halley's acid. Among the halogen, only chlorine form Halley's acid. What is the name? Chlorous acid. Chlorous acid. Chlorous acid. Molecular formula HClO2. There are two oxygen atoms are in chlorous acid. There are two oxygen atoms are in chlorous acid. Now, write the electronic configuration of all the elements present in chlorous acid. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Electronic configuration 1s1. So, number of valence electron in hydrogen equal to 1. Oxygen atomic number 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The valency cell containing how many electrons? 6 electrons. And chlorine Cl atomic number 17. The electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. The number of valence electron in chlorine equal to 7. Now we are going to calculate the total number of valence electron in chlorous acid from the formula. We have HClO2. It contains 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. How many oxygen? 2 oxygens equal to 1 into hydrogen valence electron 1 plus 1 into chlorine valence electron 7 plus 2 into oxygen valence electron 6 equal to 1 plus 7 plus 12 equal to 12 plus 7 equal to 19 plus 1 equal to 20. Total number of valence electron in chlorous acid is 20. Now, draw the structure of HClO2 from the number of valence electron. How to draw? Hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, oxygen at the center, oxygen, one oxygen, then another oxygen here, another oxygen. There are two oxygens. In between these two, here you have one hydrogen and there you have one chlorine Cl. According to Lewis structure, first join all the atoms with a single bond. Here one bond, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many bonds? 1, 2, 3. 3 bond means 1 bond containing 2 electron, 3 bond, 6 electrons are over. 20 minus 6 equal to 14 electrons are the remaining electron that should be distributed as lone pair of electron, first starting from the more electronegative element. The more electronegative element is oxygen. So first fill up the octet around oxygen using this 14 electron. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oxygen octet over. Among 14 electron, we have completed 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Remaining 4 electron, that should be on chlorine atom. On chlorine atom. Now, this is not the final structure of chlorous acid. Count the number of individual atoms. All the atoms get octet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, hydrogen doublet, 2, hydrogen doublet. Count the number of individual atoms around each element. Hydrogen, there must be only 1 electron. Okay, no problem. Oxygen, there must be 6 electron, individual electron, 2, 4, 5, 6, 6 electron, okay. But for this oxygen, 2, 4, 6, 7 electron. 1 excess electron at the same time. Around chlorine atom, there must be 7 chlorine electron, 2, 4, 5, 6 only. 2, 4, 5, 6. There is no 7 electron. Therefore, 1 electron from the terminal oxygen, 1 lone pair is converted into bond pair between hydrogen and chlorine. Therefore, the final structure of HOCl2 is 2 oxygen atoms. In between that 2, we have 1 hydrogen here, another chlorine here. Join all the atom. 1 double bond is also formed. Here you have 1 single bond, 1 single bond. Here which bond is formed? Double bond is formed in between chlorine and oxygen. Now fill the electron also. 1 lone pair is converted into bond pair, therefore remaining 2 lone pair on this oxygen, 2 lone pair on this chlorine, 2 lone pair on this oxygen. If you count number of electron around each individual element, you will get 1 electron for hydrogen. Correct. Around oxygen atom, there must be how many electron? 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Around chlorine atom, there are 7 electron. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. The structure is over and there is no excess plus and minus on this chlorous acid. Chlorous acid HClO2. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.